Hi everybody, I'm Sharmiela Mandre and today I'm here to talk about a wonderful product in the market called SkinQ. SkinQ has this wonderful product called the Beauty Box, which is basically a DIY facial kit, and it's a 45-minute facial which you can do at home by yourself. And especially at a time like this during the pandemic, especially since we don't have access to clinics or salons, we can do this at our own pace in our homes. I have been using this for quite some time, and I always use it as a pre-event or a pre-shoot sort of a facial kit, and it really kind of helps remove the tan as well as dullness that I have in my skin due to excessive lights during shoots or during harsh climate conditions. So this is something I truly recommend. They also have a wonderful sunblock, which is a SPF 40, which is extremely lightweight, and I'm sure everyone is going to love this product.